Hello family and friends. I don't know if you're going to hear me through the helmet. I'm not going to take it off. It's a hot day. It's too hot to take it off. But hopefully the sound will come through, or part of it. And guess who's back? The Phantom. I just went to pick it up and had a very hot, in many senses of the word, ride back here to Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. So first ride back on the little guy, and he's doing pretty well. Can't say as much for the rider, but it's back, and be ready for some more videos in the future. But Phantom is back and repaired. I will go over with you some of the repairs. All for now.